welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Apple Watch Series 11, launched in September 2025. It's going to be my unboxing and first look. Now if we turn this over, you can see this is the Apple Watch 46mm with dark grey sport loop band. It is available in a smaller size as well. This is the larger 46mm version. And I can't wait to take a look at this, because with this particular launch they have made the Apple Watch slimmer, so we should get a nicer experience on the wrist with this. So really nice packaging as always. We've got this inner sleeve which we can put to one side, and then inside that we've got two separate boxes. And I love the fact that Apple do this, because it really just makes it a lot easier for them to pair whichever watch face you've chosen with the watch band that you've chosen and pop it into the outer sleeve. So it sort of cuts down on their packaging, because they don't have to make different packaging for the outer sleeve. So really very nicely done. So we'd start by taking a look at the watch band. I'm assuming this is easy open. Yeah, as always with Apple products, we've got this easy pull tab on here. So we simply pull this across like so, and then this reveals the band. And I like these textile type bands because I find them super comfortable. So inside the box, in this sort of inner part of the lid, it just tells you about how to attach the band to the watch. We've also got this inner piece of paper which tells you about just sort of some safety information. I can go back in there for now. And then we've got the watch band itself, which is absolutely stunning. I love the colour on this one. Very, very nice indeed. Really nice feel to it as well. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, which is nice. It's got a different pattern to this side than to this side. This one's more lines on this side, and then this one here, more of a sort of a cubed, mottled effect. Very, very nice indeed. Feels very, very soft. So that's the watch band that I chose, and that's the hook and loop closure sport loop. And the colour on this one, I think it was either dark grey or dark blue. I think it was the dark grey option. So let's pop the watch band to one side and take a look inside the packaging for the Apple Watch. And again, we've got these pull tabs on either side of the box. So we can just remove this one. Then we got one on the opposing end there, which we can just remove. And then we should be able to just shake this open to reveal again exceptional packaging. Absolutely love it. So in this side here, we have got two different bits and pieces. We've got some paperwork, which is about using the watch band. I know it's just sort of some regulatory information. And on this side, this should be the charging puck, or the wireless charger. So USB-C on this end, and then the little magnetic disc on this end, which adheres via magnets to the back of the Apple Watch for charging. Something else they've improved in this particular version of the Apple Watch is the battery life. We should be able to get full day, and I don't mean like from 8 AM till maybe 10 or 11 PM, on about full 24-hour battery life on this one. So that's really a big improvement. And then we've got the watch face itself, and even with it in the packaging here, I can already tell that this is indeed a lot slimmer. Different sort of packaging though. This used to be more of a material. It feels more like cardboard now. But let's slide this out. We've also got improved hardness to the watch face as far as I know. Very, very slimline. This is a big, big change from previous Apple Watches. It feels just better made, I think. I mean, obviously it was really good quality before, but this feels very, very nice. Really nice indeed. It doesn't feel like there's any charge in here at all. Normally, an Apple Watch would come with some charging, unless I'm pushing the wrong button. There we go, bottom button. I always thought it was the digital crown to turn this on, but there is some battery life in this to start this up. I'm not going to set it up fully in this video. This was purely an unboxing and first look, so you could see what you get inside the box. Obviously, you might choose a different colour. I've gone for like the gloss black version here. But if you choose a different colour, obviously there might be a different finish to the outside of your Apple Watch, but certainly the dimension should be roughly the same. Very, very nice looking watch. And again, obviously, if you choose a different watch band, your watch band will be different as well. So we get this startup screen. It's asking me to pull the iPhone near to the Apple Watch to do the setup. Very, very nice indeed. Let's just give you a look at the side profile with the digital crown and the button there. This is where you're going to slide the watch strap in. On this side here, it looks like this is where maybe the speaker is, just here. It's very, very subtly done. And then on the underside, we've got the little push buttons for releasing the watch strap and of course all of the sensors. Being glossy, this is going to pick up fingerprints, but that's to be expected. You can get matte finish cases as well. I think it looks really very, very nice indeed. This is the new and improved for 2025 Apple Watch Series 11. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Please do subscribe to the channel. And if you want to pick up one of these for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.